so we are doing a stew this week. So we got the stew meat here to do a big stew. I got this Famous Dave's jalapeno cornbread mix. I've never tried this. I just saw it the first time today and it looks so good. So I think I'm gonna do that with dinner tonight, which for dinner I am doing some shrimp with this mixture. It's just gonna take a little bit of water, tomato sauce, and shrimp. So I got 2 of those so I could double the recipe.
And just a little side note of how that turned out. Here is what it all looks like. We served it over rice with the cornbread. You guys, this was all really, really good. And for some Cajun food in a hurry, this is about as close as you're going to get to homemade without it actually being homemade. You know, it kind of came in a container, but it was so, so good. I definitely recommend it for something quick and easy.
Alright, I wanted to get a quick video of the shrimp that we got today because I need to throw this thaw out so that I can go ahead and start dinner. And then, of course, I got the shrimp, which I showed you guys. I got 2 big things of water just to have on hand. And then I got these 2 mixes. I feel like these would be great for future, like, fun weekend meals. So I just got those to try out. I've never tried either of those before, but it's just a seasoning mix, and you just put your own meat and stuff with it. We want to make a banana pudding, so we got these cheesecake puddings instead of vanilla. My husband's dad likes to use cheesecake flavor, so we're going to do that to make some banana pudding. Then we got bananas for that, and these Nilla wafers for that as well. We got some blue cheese for my husband's salads this week for his work lunches. 2 packs of bacon for that as well. Some jasmine rice to serve our beef stew over, which I think we already have jasmine rice in the cabinet, but this will replenish. We'll just have some more. We also have this minced garlic. Our Walmart was out of fresh garlic today for whatever reason, so we just grabbed these minced, and these last forever, so we enjoy getting those. My girls have never tried these variety pack of crackers, and my husband and I both love them, so we wanted to get them for them to try as a snack. I've been wanting to do some s'mores. I probably 2 months ago bought some marshmallows, but I never got chocolate and graham crackers. So I went ahead and got that. And then my daughter, Kenzie, the 2-year-old's been asking for Ritz for forever. She's been asking for crackers. She loves them, and she eats through them when we get them, so I don't buy them every week, but I buy them for her. She eats through them really quickly, and then I wait a little while and I buy some more. But with graham crackers and with Ritz, we buy name brand with these because we find that they break really easily when we don't, so we like name brand for those 2 items, whereas we normally buy most everything else with Great Value brand or store brand, depending on where we're shopping. Got some onions. This is for our beef stew. Some cucumbers for my husband's salads. This is for tonight's meal, the shrimp meal. This is for the beef stew. Same thing with the beef broth. And then we were out of rosemary, but we needed rosemary for the beef, so we got that. Some avocados for my husband's salads. I think he's doing, Aaron, are you doing like a Cobb salad this week?
Yeah.
He's doing like a Cobb salad. So we have eggs already, but eggs are going to be in it as well. Got some school supplies, but I'm going to talk to you guys about that in a minute. This is for the salads, a purple onion. This is for the beef stew. The carrots and the peas are both for the beef stew. The celery is for the beef stew. The spring mix is for his salad. The potatoes is for the beef stew. 2 gallons of milk as per usual. We have 2 toddlers. We always get that. Some tomatoes. This is for his salad. A big giant pack of wipes because we were almost out of wipes, and these are the ones we like to buy for my daughter. These are the ones we like to buy for Kenzie. Hopefully this is the last box we're buying. We're hoping she's going to potty train. She just turned 2 in May. She's not interested at all, but we're trying to convince her that she wants to potty train. So hopefully we just bought a box of diapers last week. We're hoping that was our last box of diapers, and we're hoping this is our last box of wipes, but we shall see. So Lexa will be going to pre-K 4 in September, so I went ahead and started getting everything off of her list. I just got it in today from her school packet for the year. So they wanted specific items and specific brands. I'm sure that's normal, but I decided to go to Walmart first and see if what would be a better price at Walmart versus like the Dollar Tree, because I know some items at the Dollar Tree are like only 50 cents or 25 cents at Walmart, or 97 cents at Walmart. So I went to Walmart first, and I did find everything there. Some items I wasn't going to be able to find at the Dollar Tree, so I did go ahead and go to Walmart first. And I will say that I definitely think that you should check Walmart first because some items you're going to save on. So She also needed 2 packages of fragrance-free wet wipes, so we just grabbed the Parent Choice brand. They wanted her to have a pencil box, so we just grabbed this, which was 97 cents. I could have definitely got her a cheaper water bottle at, like, if we went to the Dollar Tree, but I wanted to get something that would really keep it cold and something she liked. Since we were at Walmart already, she saw this one and she liked it. It is the Thermos brand, so this was 12 bucks. Just went ahead and got her that because she liked that, and she doesn't usually pick out girly things, so this is the one girly thing she likes because she usually likes blue and green are her favorite color. They also wanted to have her to have a snack container, so I'm hoping this is what they meant and not something with a closed lid. I'm not sure. This is my first time doing this, so if not, I'll have to go get something with a closed lid, but I was assuming this is what they meant. This was like $1 more to get 2 of them versus getting just 1, and the 1 pack was smaller, so I just decided to get the 2 pack, and I'll have the other one to keep at home for Kenzie. We needed some soap, and I needed some mascara. I forgot to show you guys those 2 items. So I change my mascara every time. I've had a different brand of the Falsies. This is like an updated version of the other Falsies. It's Falsies Lift, so I wanted to try that for the first time. Also, their folders, they had some cute selection of folders. You could get folders as cheap as, I think some of them were less than 25 cents. They had 50-cent options, and they had $1 and up options, but she just needed a 2-pocket folder. So we let her get, pick out what she wanted, and I thought this one was really cute. And then also she loves rainbows, so she got this one as well. So these are her 2 folders for class. We already had some kid scissors from the Dollar Tree, but I will say these were actually cheaper than what we buy at the Dollar Tree, and I want to be able to keep those at home, so I wanted to get her a fresh set for school. They only asked for 1 pair, but this was 2 pair for $1, so this is half the price of what we pay at the Dollar Tree, which I like the ones we get from the Dollar Tree, but they are $1 a piece. These are 2 for $1, so that means they're 50 cents a piece. So green has been her favorite color for forever, and now she's saying that blue is her favorite color. It used to be second, now it's pumped to first. So everything she usually gets in blue and green, but I thought these looked really nice. And actually, they look nicer than what you get at Walmart. At the Dollar Tree. The Dollar Tree ones are just the typical kid scissors. These seem to have a little bit sturdier grips and handles on them. So I'm excited to send those to school with her. I feel like they're a little bit better than what we have at home. They also wanted these specific color pencils, these specific markers, and they wanted a 12-pack of the specific purple disappearing school glue. So that is everything we got. We spent like $198, about around $32 of that was her school supplies. So this was a little bit more of an expensive week for us this week. The wipes themselves were about $15, so that kind of stuff adds up a little bit. But yeah, this is everything that we got this week, and like I said, some of these are just snacky things that'll last, but the main things were the salad and the beef stew for this week. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing everything that we got, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Bye.